Okay, well, thank you so much. And remember to keep your unit turned off, and we'll have a technician out there shortly. Thank you. Bye bye. This time of year we get calls daily about AC drains backing up. And there's a big question on why are my drains backing up? And I can tell you that in San Antonio, Texas, starting in April, but then around May, we start getting calls because the AC systems have been relatively dormant up until now. We have a lot of rain, a lot of humidity that's happening, and that causes all of the particulates that have been building up in the system to now start becoming in a hot, wet environment. And this can cause clogs as the AC tries to evacuate all of the water that it's extracting off of the evaporator coil. So, where can these drain clogs occur? One of them is in the J trap. So, as the water exits the unit, it goes through a J trap and then goes out and goes into the primary plumbing. So you could have a leak, a clog in the trap itself. The AC unit has an internal drain pan where the water collects and then is sloped to go towards this. You could have sludge and slime and algae in that internal drain pan, which blocks the exit from the drain pan into the J trap. The other place you can have it is where the plumbing system for the AC connects into your primary drain. For most people, that's the nearest bathroom. Some people, it could be a laundry room. Other homes that are older, it may just go directly outside and never tie into the plumbing system. But newer homes, it is code that all the water be reclaimed. So it's going to be where the AC unit drain will attach to the plumbing system. So check under your bathroom sinks. If the sink itself is clogged, it will then cause the connection to back up and then cause it to back all the way up to the air conditioning unit. So there are several points and places along the line of an AC drain that can cause problems. So, how do we minimize those problems? Well, the first thing you can do is obviously have regular seasonal maintenance by a professional licensed company like Reliabee. The thing that you can do in between those visits is add a cup of white vinegar. The 9% vinegar is very good at countering the buildup of the algae, the bioslime. It's called a biofilm, but it actually looks like a slime. But adding vinegar quarterly to your system can make a huge difference in how quickly the buildup can cause a clog. So again, regular maintenance by your favorite local woman-owned AC company would be our first recommendation. And then in between our visits, adding a cup of vinegar quarterly will help reduce those clogs.